Here's how to recover WhatsApp View Once photo. The first thing that you need to do is to make sure that you have already installed the WhatsApp Messenger to your mobile phone. Afterwards, you can now go ahead and open it to your mobile phone. And then once you have already opened it, you can now go ahead and go to the settings options located at the lower right and then scroll down until you see there the storage and data. After clicking on that, you will see the manage storage. What you need to do is to click on that as well. After clicking on that, under the chats, you will see there the chats that you have on your account. You can just go ahead and press that and you will now see the view once photo. As you can see, there are no available chats since the account is still new. You can also go ahead and go to broadcast messages so that you can create a message to apply this kind of work on your end.